So this is like an upstairs kind of apartment or like a house.
Like that.
I love the sort of landscaping here. You know what? At first I thought this was like fresh grass, but last night I walked out in my socks and I realised it's fake grass, but it still looks really, really good.
Yeah, it's real grass.
Is it real grass?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
But how on earth does somebody, this is incredible, how on earth does somebody, the landscaping is really, really good. You can see a lot of time and care has been taken to be able to do this.
Yeah.
It's really, really nice. Oh, and the trees as well. Wow. It just looks stunning. I've never been to a place like this. It's just a lovely resort, you know. I'm so impressed. Well, and I had like a massage last night and it was really, really good, you know, really professional. I had some like neck pain and a bit of back pain. Yes. And this guy who did the massage was excellent. He really knew how to do the massage well. Yes. And yeah, it's a great facility that you offer as well. It's like wellness, right?
Yeah.
It's really nice.
By the way, that's our spa is a 5-star.
Wow. Oh, yeah. Fantastic. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Oh, wow. This is like a massive, oh my God. It's just like massive. It's bigger than some people's houses in the UK, because in the UK, like, properties are quite expensive, and this is bigger than someone's house. Oh, wow.
So we have a separate room. It's for master bedroom and also the guest bedroom.
Oh, wow. Okay, nice.
It's for family.
Oh, that's good. So you can have like, I don't know, a husband and wife, children or whatever staying in one space that's private, you know. Sometimes in hotel rooms, you have to sort of go next door, you're all spread out, but you've got the whole family staying here together, which I love. Oh, okay.
This is the shower.
Oh, okay.
The bathroom.
Yeah, nice. Okay, and you've got all the sort of shampoo and everything there as well. Good, nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, and you've got a little space around here. You've got like a kind of a wardrobe kind of space as well. Wow. I'm very impressed. Oh, so there's an oven as well. Wow, as well as a hob. Wow, and I'm sure this thing's like sort of all the other drawers as well. You could basically live here, kind of almost, if you wanted to spend like a couple of weeks here, you know, to get away from the world. It's such a private space, and of course, the Philippines, you have incredible weather, and the people, you know, Filipino hospitality is incredible. So you have such wonderful smiles when you in the morning. So Margot, you like your people smiling and happy and polite, and it's just, you don't get that in other countries, honestly. So this is another reason why I love the Philippines.
That is our master bedroom.
Wow. Oh, this is lovely. The views are just stunning.
You have your terrace.
Oh, wow. Oh, perfect, yeah. Oh, wow. So you can eat out here as well. Wow. It's just lovely. And you can hear the birds singing, you know, when you come out in the morning. It's such a lovely space. And this is good for how many? For four people?
Yeah, it's good.
Magkano for what one night? Sorry, I have it on me, so I shouldn't even need to ask you that. I should know myself. Is this the garden?
This is the penthouse.
Penthouse, okay.
That's 96,000.
Okay, and that's good for four people. And I'm sure, you know, you can book a lot of these online as well, and I'm sure this is like the main hotel rate, right? Yeah.
It's a published rate.
Yeah, the published rate. Okay, yeah. Wow. And I'm sure you have kind of like low season and high season as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Wow. Oh, nice. I like the shower as well. This is an awesome room. It really, really is. I'm so impressed with the space. You know, it's a really... Imagine waking up in the morning and having such a fantastic view. It's just wonderful. Thank you so much. And Rena, right? Thank you so much, Rena. Maraming salamat for showing me around this room as well. It's really, really nice. Thank you.